In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes on a selected element in Webflow. When designing a website, it's completely normal to experiment with different styles, layouts, and settings. Sometimes, after making adjustments, you may realize that a specific change doesn't look the way you expected. Thankfully, Webflow gives you simple tools that allow you to quickly reset certain settings and restore elements back to their original display behavior. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process in a clear and beginner-friendly way. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to webflow.com. Sign into your account so you can access your projects and editing tools. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where all your websites and design projects are displayed. From the dashboard, locate the specific project where you want to undo changes. If you manage multiple websites, take a moment to identify the correct one before opening it. Click on the project to launch the Webflow Designer, which is the main workspace used for editing layouts, styles, and content across your site. After the designer fully loads, begin looking for the element you want to restore or adjust. This could be a section, container, div block, image, or any other component that has been modified previously. Carefully browse through your page until you find the exact item you want to work with. Once you locate it, click directly on the element. You'll know it has been selected because Webflow will highlight it within the workspace. Next, move your attention to the right-hand side of the screen where the Style panel is located. This panel contains all the customization controls used to modify the appearance and layout of your selected element. Inside the Style panel, scroll until you find the Layout section. This section controls important positioning and display settings for the selected element. Within the Layout settings, look for the Display property. The Display option determines how the element behaves and appears within your web page structure. If you previously changed this setting and want to restore it back to its default state, click the drop-down menu beside Display. Inside the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Reset. Selecting this option will immediately remove the custom display setting and return the element to its original display configuration. This is an easy and efficient way to undo a specific styling adjustment without affecting the rest of your design. And that's it. You've successfully undone changes on a selected element in Webflow by resetting its display settings. Understanding how to manage and restore style properties can make website editing much smoother and less stressful while designing your pages. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.